Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am going to try out few makeup products that I got from your recommendation. So these are the products that you guys suggested I buy, I try out. You guys love these makeup products or have seen it, and you guys wanted me to test these products out. So let's dive in. I have some really cool makeup from My Glam as well that I have been testing out for a really long time. So yeah, let's get started on with the video now. So the first thing I have here is the tinted sunscreen. This is the selfie ready tinted sunscreen, and I think one of you guys DM me to try this one out, and I have been using it for quite some time. Now let's talk about the consistency of this. This is extremely smooth, I feel like, and it does have a slight hint of tint, and it gives a sheer coverage as well. It comes with SPF 50 and also it is a broad spectrum sunscreen. So yeah, so first of all I have to talk about how it glides on the skin. It gives such a nice, beautiful, smooth finish, and that is why I like this, because you can use this as a sunscreen and as like a primer as well. Today I honestly did not use any primer at all, and I use this as my sunscreen. Also, it's very affordable too, so I really like it. It also gives blue light protection. It is water resistant and it's suitable for all skin types. I can totally say it is suitable for all skin types because I have been trying it out under, I actually work under air conditioned room, so whenever I feel like something is too drying, I do not like to use it at all. And as you can see, even my foundation did glide on really nicely, and it was smooth. My skin was looking smooth and it did not give me any white cast. So yeah, I did absolutely love it, and I'm really thankful to you guys as well for really recommending me great products. So also the packaging of this is very convenient. It comes in a tube like packaging. So yeah, I really liked it, and I absolutely think that this is worth your money. The next product I tried is the highlighter from My Glam, and it's in the shade Pink Rose. Now I always talk about this beautiful packaging. I love the packaging of this. It's so beautiful, so pretty. But anyway, let's talk about the finish of this highlighter. It is very smooth and it glides on really nicely. It definitely is something that you can use it as a blush topper because it comes in the shade Pink Rose. It gives such a nice, beautiful shine from within. It's not chunky, like it does not have chunky glitter particles at all. As you can see, the shine that you see here is coming from this highlighter itself, and I really like this highlighter a lot because I feel like the texture is very smooth. You can use this on your day-to-day basis as well. Again, I love the whole design of it because again, it's so pretty. But yeah, I have been using it on a day-to-day basis, and I think one of you guys told me to try out the other shade as well, which I'll have to try out the other shade. But this shade in particular, you can use this as a blush topper or as a highlighter. Also, I feel like this shade is going to suit dusky skin so well. If you are someone who have medium to dark skin, you are going to enjoy this highlighter so much because it is just going to look the most prettiest, pink warm toned highlighter on you. On me today, I use this like a blush topper, and I really like it. It's not looking unnatural at all. It looks like my skin is glowing from within. So yes, I did really like it, and I will try out the other shade as well very soon. Next thing I tried out from My Glam here is the My Glam Lit Glossy Liquid Eyeliner. Now this glossy liquid eyeliner, I got it in the shade, this is the pink shade, Pink Rave, and oh my god, I am in love with this eyeliner. Now I have tested it out like thrice already, and yesterday I was wearing this liner and someone literally just asked me, what do you have on your eyes? Because this eyeliner is so pigmented, you don't have to go in like 2 or 3 strokes in order to get the full on opacity. You can just just apply it in one line and get the full on pigment. It is smudge proof, it does not smudge at all. And another thing I do want to say that it is not a matte liner, it is a glossy liner. I would say it has a little bit of that shine to it. It's not like completely flat matte. So in some, like in when you turn your head around, it does catch the light. And I think it comes in like 5 different colors. It's extremely pigmented and it's smudge proof. Like I'll show you guys. See, it does not smudge at all. So I have to test out the other shades as well, because they all look so pretty, but I really wanted to get the pink one this time because I really love the color pink. I have been into the color pink so much, and I really wanted to try this one for the longest time. And I think someone requested I try the purple liner. I think they have the purple liner, so I'll have to try that out as well. But so far this liner is pretty. I mean, you can just use a transition shade, go in with this liner, and you can make your look summer ready just within seconds, I feel like. And as you can see, this is a very pigmented. Even if you have dusky skin, if you are thinking, okay, it's not going to show up on my skin, maybe, no, I feel like it's going to look really good because it has that pigment, so it's going to show up on your skin as well. So the next thing here is this amazing lipstick that I got, and this is the My Glam Satin Matte Lipstick. Now, as the name suggests, it is actually a satin matte. As you can see, it does have a little bit of the shine to it. It is definitely long lasting, and I have the shade Two Broke Girls here. That was my favorite show, to be honest. Yeah, so this is the shade, and it honestly looks so pretty. I was testing it out, and it is actually quite long lasting. Even though it has a nice glossy shine to it, it is very long lasting, very lightweight also. I feel like it's not something that feels uncomfortable when you apply it. And also I think that this is a shade that a lot of people can wear because it is a very good nude. It's not warm tone, it's not a neutral tone. I don't know, but this, I love this sort of nude, and I don't have a lot of lipsticks that I like the formulation which is not that matte. Like this is a satin matte lipstick and I totally love the formulation. This is actually formulated with hyaluronic acid, so that is why it looks like super plump, and it does not settle in the fine lines as well. As you can see right now, it's not settling in the lines and it's looking super glossy. At the same time, it has that nice shine to it as well, lightweight texture. And yeah, I really did love the shade. Like, shade is so pretty. I really love it. Like a smoky eye, everyday basis, you can totally wear this like every single day and just carry it in your purse. Also, My Glam has such amazing discounts. When you shop from 2 products from My Glam, you directly get 40% off, and there is no additional shipping as well. Like, you have to pay 0 for shipping, and they have amazing discounts on their site all the time, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I'll leave all the links in the description box down below. I have not seen a lot of makeup brands, you know, come up with such great discounts. I have seen a lot of discounts on their skincare as well as their makeup. So yeah, I leave all the links and everything. I do have a coupon code as well, which I'll leave it on the screen so you guys can check it out. And yeah, I'll leave all the links in the description box down below. So let's move on to the other products that I just recently tested out. So the next product that I tested out, I wanted to test this one out because I have seen this around and I really wanted to test this one out. So this was my first time actually trying it out. This is the Leon Beauty, and this is the Fit and Glow foundation. Now this foundation, it comes in a really a very good variety of shades, and I have the shade 06 here, which actually did suit my skin tone really nicely, so I'm really happy about it. But anyway, I did really like this foundation. I think that it has good like light to medium coverage. If you build it up, it can build it up to medium coverage. It is also quite inexpensive, I would say, and yeah, I like it a lot. I think that you know, with my first try, I'm not really someone that gets impressed a lot when it comes to foundation, so I do have to say I did really like it. I did really like how it was sitting on my skin and everything. So for me, this foundation did work really well at the first go. But obviously, I have to test it out more in order to give you guys like a solid review. But yeah, I'll be testing it out more soon. So the next product that I tested out here is something that I'm like, I don't know if I like it or not. So this is from the same brand. This is the Leon Beauty, and this is the Pro Matte Pressed Powder. I mean, they did say this is a matte powder, so First of all, just look at the shade. Is this shade going to suit my skin tone? No. Is this shade going to suit, Indian skin? I don't think so it's going to suit any Indian skin tone because it feels like a white powder, and it does have coverage, so it's not something that looks transparent on your skin. Let's talk about the consistency of this powder. I did not like it. It felt very, very cheap. Also, I just wanted to mention that the foundation, it does have a little bit of scent, perfume to it, so if you don't like that, I don't think so you're going to want to invest in the foundation. Anyway, let's talk about this compact powder. This compact powder comes in this 2 packaging thing. I don't know why, because honestly it's a lot of product for the price. Now, it looked matte. It looked a little bit too much drying on my skin. If you have matte, like if you have oily skin, you can use it, but for my dry skin, I did not enjoy this powder. It does not look good on my under eyes at all. Like, it's accentuating all the lines that I have under my eyes, and I do not like that at all. You guys know how picky I am when it comes to powders, so this one is something that I feel like only oily skin people are going to love, and I just don't know if I'm really going to use this powder after this. I'll just maybe give it to someone who have oily skin, but for my dry skin, I did not find any use for this powder. So the last product that I tested out here is the Love Earth. This is the multi-pot. So this is how it looks like, and oh my god, you guys have sent in so many requests to try this product out, and I finally did, and I have to tell you guys that this is good. Like, this is a good cheek tint, or I would say a cream blush. I like the pigmentation that this had, but it's like any other cream blush that I have in my collection. Like, I have a lot of cream blushes, so now when I test out cream blush formulas, it has to be something unique for me in order to really, really love it. Like, I do have to say it's good, it's really good, but it's not something that I don't have already in my collection. I already own so many of this sort of similar formulas where it's very creamy, it glides on, it's moderately pigmented and everything. So yes, I did really like it, I did really enjoy it, but for me, since I have a lot of cream blushes, I don't think the formula is something unique. But for the price point, you can definitely try out, and I have seen a lot of different shades from them as well. So yeah, the formula, if it's really good, but considering that I have a lot of cream blushes in my collection, it takes some unique aspect right now to impress me. So yeah, it wasn't a bad product. So I'll leave all the links in the description box down below for the MyGlam products and the products that I talked about as well. I leave the details and everything in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out for yourself. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot. Also send in other makeup requests as well, because I really did like all the makeup requests that you sent me. So I would love to test out more from your recommendation as well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.